Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video, we're going to talk about how to enable dark mode on Google Chrome. So let's get started. Normally, it is recommended to activate this feature to preserve your eye safety and, on the other hand, to preserve the battery. Well, after getting the application and to get Google Chrome dark mode, tap on the 3 points up here. Then Settings. And after that, scroll down till you find Theme. Then tap on the second option, or Dark. And like that, you turn on dark mode. Thanks for watching. See ya!